This is not another get rich video. This is how I made my first $300 on Gumroad. This is my dashboard on Gumroad with over through $300 last month, and this is all my sales. And this is my traffic source. I use threads for promoting my ebook. I focus actually on threads, and Gumroad will recommend you your product. Don't worry, you need to drive traffic. Why I use threads? Threads, it's a powerful platform and fast for growth. Look at this. It's over 7 million views on last month. You don't need to create video or blogs or something like that. Threads, it's the best platform for promoting your digital products. You just need to copy paste simple text like this. Look at this, like this. You don't need to create video. You just share your experience with audience. Post between 5 or 10 posts every day, and get your link in bio, and you will make your first sales by using threads. This is my formula for make your first $300. Upload your ebook on Gumroad, post 10 posts every day on threads, and post 2 time link to your ebook, and you'll make your first sales. And if you want exactly how I grow on threads, this is my free ebook. You'll guide you how to post and what to post, and how you use ChatGPT, and how you find your topic. Download it, the link in the description, and see you the next one.